Welcome to Whispers. The polithiefians, they know the rate also. Kutewasi, they're so emboldened. Kusi, respect, kusi. Kinitima akbeo. Wakote iwa taluma mumi. Mumu kunu wore moje wore wota. Wọ́n fi hàn wọ́n. Wọ́n tún ní kò sí nǹkan tí bàbá ńlá ìyá láyà wọn máa ṣe. Wọ́n ga gan. Let's find out. Come along with me. One of my friends collecting for subsidy money met with the former president and asked him to stop it as they were tired of making money. Former governor Isa Yuguda reveals. Former Bauchi State Governor Isa Yuguda has said that the fuel subsidy scam was so profitable that those benefiting from it so much that one of them asked former president, of course that is Buhari, to stop the fuel subsidy as they were tired of making money. Former Bauchi State Governor Isa Yuguda, only oil subsidy is a scam. Only kuda, owó tí wọ́n rí ń bẹ̀. Mo ní láti sọ fún Buhari, they could stop her. Wow. In an interview with China's television, Yuguda said he served as the chairman of a committee that looked into the subsidy regime a while back, and that it was the committee he chaired that discovered the scam and the regime. I am sad to let Nigerians know that. I am sad to let Nigerians know what I saw. We came across situations where subsidy was claimed on pipelines that never existed. They just claimed that they have pumped X amount of either finished product or crude, either from Kaduna or Warri, he said. When asked if it was NNPC that were making the fraudulent claims, Yuguda responded, of course, who else is doing it? NNPC. I want to know more. Those that are in the subsidies car, they just fill papers, invoices, and they claim subsidy on it. In fact, there was an instance of a pipeline that was supposed to exist between Lagos and Warri, and tons of monies were collected as subsidy on a pipeline that never existed. Wow. This is Nigeria for you. When asked to address claims that oil marketers have also been fingered to be involved in the scam, I said, they are all involved in these things. All of them. I will sadly also report that Nigerian subsidy we go on subsidizing sub-Saharan Africa, Central Africa, because the bulk of these products are smuggled out of this country. Then who is subsidizing who? It said the report his committee came up with, where they indicted the NNPC of being involved in the subsidy scam, was submitted to the government, but they failed to act on it. Of course, what if they act on it? I want no Gina. It can be very frustrating in Nigeria to implement policies, especially where there are entrenched interests and a cabal that exists. It is just similar to this bunkering issue. It can be stopped, but you can't stop it. Stop. Why can't they stop it? They are the ones. I want no Ajalata no. It can be stopped, but the political will is not there. But when the political will is there are so many interests that are involved there, and that is what is leading Nigeria to where we are today. Is sad. Even Tinubu confirm it. Nítorí ká lóun fẹ́ ṣe profit ni òun máa continue, but torí pé òun ò wà interested in it ló ṣe cancel all subsidy. Speaking further, he said the subsidy regime should have gone way back in 2012-2013. Any person that is shouting subsidies and that is shouting subsidies and that it is going to affect that or this is a selfish person. They are connected to the scammers killing this country. In fact, I have one of my friends who is in the oil industry. We traveled to China with one of the presidents of Nigeria. He told me, I am a member of the economic team of Mr. President. And when I went for a meeting, I told him, Mr. President, please remove the subsidy. We are tired of making money. Can you imagine? I am telling you, to God Almighty, He said we are tired of making money, Mr. President, because He is a patriot. And He has seen the scam that is going on there. Patriot in Boko Jembe. People are patriot. And he told me he is alive today. When asked why the former president failed to summon the courage to end the subsidy regime since it was discovered it was a scam, he said, the president didn't do it because of the entrenched interests and even may be at risk of his life. Risk of his life. Jamba tough jamba. Olegba. Awusa náà ni o. Can you imagine? O náà former àní tí ń tán lọ́dún eégún. Wọ́n ti di former báyìí ṣe former ti kó orúkọ wọn. Imagine. I'm going to collect waste. Like how many years now? And they're still indirectly, still tapping indirectly, they're still getting this through other means. Oh God. I hear you now. They are now emboldened. Look at the caliber of people. People of no pedigree. People of no character. People of questionable character. Gbogbo wọn. I want anything under normal circumstances in a sense society. I want you to sumo anything governance, anything policy making, anything law. I want to know what you at the helms of affairs of running the nation. If I want to run it to ground, put your ground zero láti gbà wọ́n. Gbogbo àwọn èèyàn tí Tinubu yàn lóyè. They are recycling themselves. It's the same old, same old. They are recycling themselves. Wow. Wow. Okay. I told Mr. President that they should stop subsidy. They've made so much money. They are tired of making money. Tired. They are tired of making money at the expense of the masses. The masses are tired of suffering. They are tired of dying. They are tired of starving. Wow. Well, there you have it, guys. So no wonder they used to say national cake, national cake. The picture is getting clearer by the day. It's getting clearer by the day. So there you have it, guys. Now polithiefians, they are the ones. So APC, APD, PDP, they're all the same. They're all the same. So thanks for listening to me. Until I come your way again. Bye.